भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
A very good morning to all. On behalf of TTODC, I extend my warm welcome to all the newly elected honorable MPs and each one of you present here. Namaste, Kulunka. In exercise of the powers conferred by the TTADC Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to issue orders for due constitution of the newly elected district council, and in accordance with Rule 166(1), Srimati Santri Das, LR and Secretary Law, Government of Tripura is hereby authorized to administer the oath for affirmation to the newly elected members of the district council. I would like to request Srimati Santri Das, LR and Secretary Law and Government of Tripura to initiate the process of administering the oath or affirmation to the newly elected honorable members of the district council. Now, I would like to call upon the newly elected honorable members to come on the stage one by one for taking oath or affirmation to the Constitution of India. First, I call upon Sri Bhavaranjan Riyam, 1 Damchara Jampui ST.
Ang mutang Bhavaranjan Riyam, ED di sini atau ini member sektor ye, Subhagrani Mumbai, Ismail Kamu, ye ini tapi mung pakai, bamung pakai India di Constitution ni dia ain studi, kami putih dia pakai ini kabai dia kamu mengenai ma di bawah hati.
Now, now I call upon Srimati Manju Rani Sarkar, Chun Bashma, As she is absent, now I call upon Sri Shailendra Nath, Sri Dasda Kanchanpur. Now I call upon Sri Ratish Tripura, Port Karmachara ST.
Angnoka. Ronald Lero, you to my body. Norka.
Now I call upon Sri Ismail Joy Tripura, Pai Chamanu. Now I call upon Sri Hollywood Chakma, 6 Manu Chalenta.
Norka. Ani ঠিক গান গান 8
ত্রিপুরা উপজাতি জেলা প্রশাসন ও জেলা পরিষদের নকশায় করছি আগামী দেবে বোঝেন উত্তর নামে সবজ বদি দমর মুই এই নদী ভারতের সংবিধানের পুকুরে এগামনে প্রতিম দিচ্ছে আর আদিম মগৈতে মুই ভারতের সার্বভৌমত্ব আর জদায় রক্ষে করি আর মুই যে দায়িত্ব বদি দমর প্রতিম বিচ্ছেদর লগে বলে তাদের সাথে
Now I call upon Sri Dhirendra Debbarma, 7 Dhanchara Kachuchara.
hanya saya pokok ini.
Adi.
Ang Musang Director Department Different Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council Atong Unggui Tongkat Maya Gulo Kaitoni Unggui Sumai Tangui Sado Kurakti Koito Kenargui Sumai Tangui Sado Barot Elem Bakni Disingti Kaza Kerongno Koito Kubui Orok Komui Ang Wokjagui Kongmani Samungno Abai Kubai Kanai
Now I call upon Sri Katrachorian, 8 Ganganagar, Gandachara.
Out, out. Hãy đi cho được. Come on.
Ang musang Sampradirian Tripura Tribal Areas Nama District Council ni kehar tui pangkiye tunjuk paimon yok wo isono duai laye smai tang ye satawo abono se krok kiye au ye smai tang satawo parot hakko bai snam tuyok mo pa kerong bai darau no mukha bai hatiye mukhrong bom jaye ani satawo pau tuyok mo samung rong no ang abai kubai ke tangai
Now I call upon Sri Prashmit Verma, 9 Halali Ashram Bari.
Out.
Ang Muchang Prashmit Deborma Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Ada Mungui Chongkamani Yabulo Mahaduri Mungui Semai Tangui Sajawo Gerakhe Putu Nargui Semai Tangui Sajawo Barokni Baki Pisingtui Hajar Kerangno Putu Kubui Horok Pomui Ano Boksagui Tongmani Samungno Habai kubai tangai hambai.
Now I call upon Sri Rajeshwar Verma, 10 Tulai Chandra.
Markale. Mana ni bang? Di mana? Nama tu.
Ang Muchang Rajeshwar Deborma Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Ada Mungui Chongkamani Yabulo Kaiturnis Semai Tangui Sadawo Gerakhe Putu Nargui Semai Tangui Sadawo Barok Baki Pisingtui Hajar Kerangno Putu Kubui Horong Pomui Anu Boksagui Tongmani Samungno Habai kubai tangai amai.
Now I call upon Sri Utpat Verma, 11 Maharani Purtoliama.
Masina.
Ang Muntah Department, the Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adong di Kongzat at Yakibo. Terakhir putu narabik maitani sakau. Barang nomor di sini hadak erono, kuitu kui. Orang omoi, anak pokok panis kamu, dok habek kubai taknya.
Now, I call upon Sri James Deparma, 12 Ramchandra Ghat.
I, Mr. James Deparma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adong Ungui, Chongzakmaya Gula, Taikonis Sumai Tangui, Grakya Pertonarabun, Sumai Tangui Hazao, Bharat Elbakni, Bishimpu, Hazak Yarabla, Toronto Kumui, Horok Bongui, Anak Bagzagui, Tongmani Samno, Kabai Kubai Tangai, Warga Johambai.
Kenal sini. Hah? Waduh itu.
Now, I call upon Sri Ravindra Deparma, 13 Simna Kamakar.
Ada gitu. Yang mikirnya disiplin yang
Ang Musang Ravindra Deparma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council, Adong Ungui, Tongzakma Yakuro, Taikoni Mungui, Samai Tangis Hao, Bharat Elembakni, Bisingtui, Hadak Kerano, Koito Hobui, Korok Omui, Ano Bokjagui, Tongmani, Hamuno, Habai, Kubai, Anai. Now, I call upon Sri Rulia Debarma, 14, Vichan Nagar, Rocky Nagar.
I, Mr. Union Department, the Tribal Areas of North Council, Ada Ungi, Songzakba, Yakulo, Kaito ni Sumai Tangai, Sadawo, Virat Poito, Narake Sumai Tangi Sadawo, Baro, Elambat Pisimpi, Hazar Kerono, Poito Kupui, Orokomui, Amo Obsaki, Tongano Samuno, Habai Kupai, Tangai, Habai.
Now, I call upon Sri Jagdish Debarma, 15, Zirania Estate.
Lütfen. Bro.
Mustan, Jagadish Jagor, Tripura Tribal Areas, Autonomous District Council, Adonungi, Tongzama Yagro, Ishmadni Munti Sumaitani, Sadar, Krakhe Puito Nargo, Sumaitani, Sadar, Bharo, Elevatni, Ishimti, Hazar, Yarano, Puito Kubui, Hora Bonui, Ano, Wazari Tomani, Samuno, Kabai, Kubai, Tangai.
Now, I call upon Sri Jitendra Debarma, 16, Mandai Nagar, Pulinpur.
And Muslim of the former, the tribal areas from District Council, Ada Ungi, Ungakoya Block, Kaidani Ungi, Sumaitani, Sadavo, Krakhe Potumarake, Sumaitani, Sadavo, Baratila Vati, Pisimpi, Hazak Kerano, Puitu Kubui, Orokomui, and Bogzakuni, Amani Samuno, Abai Kubai, Kamai, Ambai.
Now, I call upon Srimati Deepa Debarma, 17, Pekwar Jala, Jannajo Nagar Estate. Masakti kita Deporma, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council ni Hadap Jut Mungai, Chongdak Paniya Gulo, Kaituni Mungai, Berakit Samai Takni Hadawo, Barat Hakotuni Ilembak ni Bishingtui, Hadap Keramo Kuito Tawul, Kubui Khorok Bomai, Ano Bongtamani Baca Ebang Kamino, Habai Kubaino Karna, Josona.
Now, I call upon Sri Suraj Dev Verma, 18 Takarzela Jambuja.
Macam Suraj Dev Verma, Tripura Sab Budukai, Kota Angkor Foksab, Adon Ungai, Songdamaya, Kaituni Bugis, Mai Hado, Terakhir Koito Naragai, Mai Hado, Barat Elam Bab, Isinti atau Kirami Koito, Kubui, Bog Morokai, Ano Bog Tomani Sama, Sabai Kubai.
Now, I call upon Sri Buddha Kumar Dev Verma, 19 Amtali, Dolaghar.
Macam Buddha Kumar Dev Verma, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, Adon Ungai, Songjakna Yagulo, Kaituni Samai Tangai, Hazaro, Terakhir Kuito Naragai, Samai Tangai, Hazaro, Barat Elam Magna Bishingkoi, Hazar Keramo, Kuito Kubui, Khorok Bomai, Ano, Boksari, Pamane, Hamono, Habai Kubai Tangai. Belanya.
Now, I call upon Sri Purna Chandra Jamatia, 20 Ilarapa.
Ang Podoton Dotama ya. Di sini atau Angmanya Kolot, Tongdamaya Kolot Matai Kotor, Papa Koryani Manggui, Semai Tangui Sadau, Barat Kotor ni Elembak, Kata Kerama Angkoto Bayu, Te Ani Sakau Bangsa Kodano, Kabai Kubai, Bokro Kongui Samantanai,
Now, I call upon Sri Chandrakumar Jamatia, 21, Maharani, Chelagam.
I, Sri Chandrakumar Jamatia, having been elected a member of the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Holonka.
Now, I call upon Sri David Mura Singh, 22, Kataria, Mirza Rajapur.
Mutan David Murasi, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council ni Lukurat by Samjat Adam Ungui Samjatma Yagulo Sini Mutai Rotai Bala Hoi Chantai Kaitorni Sumai Tangui Sajau Gerakke Koitonaragui Sumai Tangi Sajau Barat Hakutorni Elam Baki Bisingkui Khazak Kerongno Puito Kubui Korok Bomoi Ano Boksari Kongmani Samungno Khabai Kubai Pangai Jai Bhagwan Jai Shri Prasad Jai Khansa Bharat Mata Ki Jai Jai Bhut Vande Mataram.
Now, I call upon Sri Kamal Kanai, 23, Ampi Nagar.
I, Sri Kamal Kanai, having been elected a member of Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, do swear in the name of the God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you.
Now, I call upon Sri Dhananjay Tripura, 24, Rahima Vedi.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट काउंसिल ने आदम हुए चंद्रमा यागलो काइटोनिस समाज कांग्रेस साजो ग्राफिक कुंकु नारगो समाज कांग्रेस साजो भारत एलन बागने उसिते खाजानी खाजार केरला बुई दुबई पर बोंगो यानो बंजाबे कम्मनी सामुना काबाई दुबई कांगा
Now, I call upon Sri Sujoy Uchoy, 25 Nutan Bazar, Malbas.
Sujoy Uchoy, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council lead, Pohatui from Sayalaya, Krishkoni Mumbai, Soika Kawoi, Boy Katu Mumbai, Akan Karuye, India Hami, Roito Royan, Komodo, Maninai, Ake, Amje Tamna Kaitumi, Abuna, Hati Chuk Mumbai, Samukana, Haka.
Now, I call upon Sri Tenaram Riyang 46, Veer Chandra Nagar, Kalash. Now, I call upon Sri Debajit Tripura 27, Purba Mozipur, Buratali.
Bersama Deputi Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Adam Mungui, Somsak Mayagolo, Kaitani Mungui, Samai Kangai Sazago, Parot Elembak Dibisikte, Haza Kerokno, Puicu Kubui,
거의 아가 먹자고의 덕분이 자본도 가발 국가에 가발.
Now, I call upon Sri Tangjang Wong, 28 Silachari, Manubankul. All members have taken oath in accordance with the provisions of the TTIDC, Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985. I would like to convey my sincere thanks and congratulations to all the honorable members on completion of the oath-taking ceremony. I also convey thanks to all the officers for their cooperation in successfully organizing the oath-taking ceremony. Now, I would like to announce that under Rule 17.1711/1, Honorable Governor of Tripura is pleased to appoint Sri Jagdish Debbarma, elected MDC, to preside over the proceedings of the first meeting of the newly elected council. I call upon Honorable Member Sri Jagdish Debbarma to take his chair to preside over the first meeting and advance the further proceedings. Thank you.
Officials to the first meeting of the 9th TTADC. As per conduct of business rules, to the first meeting of official the Autonomous District Council Chairman and Chief Executive Member elected Elani Tamani. Jasmana Kasha Karune, Tini Official Chairman TTADC and Official Chief Executive Member elected Khajaria. বলবাগই পরবর্তী সময়ে তেরোশো সিটি কংগ্রে খাজাবি কতাল চেয়ারম্যান তাই সিএম চন্দ্রভাই বলবাগই গভর্নর ভাই FM খাজা প্রেসিডেন্ট অফিসার হিসেবে অবহানি দায়িত্ব অবনো সাগলাইনেন তবে তিনি চিফ এক্সিকিউটিভ অফিসার তিনি সময় খামানি প্রোগ্রাম তাই কারণে May declare remain humble.